Hello, good morning, everyone. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Advait. I'm studying in LKG Kids Castle, Hallowed branch. Let's now talk about the sentiment of bravery and heroism, courage and patriotism. This song is full Veerarasa, which will tell the story of bravery, confidence, courage, zeal, and fill your hearts with love for our country.
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Trishal. I am studying in LKG Kiss Castle, Hallur branch. It is also the love of our flag, our culture, our religion, our land, our dance, our food, our festival and our people. So let us all enjoy the song that expresses love and loyalty for India, that instills the feeling of pride and respect too.
Hello everyone, my name is Debyansika. I am studying in LKG in Ikit Castle, Hallur branch. If you feel the emotions of national pride while you see the performance, do clap and cheer for our friends. Join your hands for play your part. Bande Mataram.
Okay, I'll say thank you on their behalf. She was so nervous backstage, but she's beautifully given her speech. Can we have a round of applause for them? They're just in LKG. Generally, it's our upper kindergarten children who give the speeches, but all three of them are in LKG, and that was beautiful. The finale piece is again of the Rasa Veera, but this time it's a tribute to our armed forces, Navy and Air Force. A big round of applause for the children on stage.
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर करेंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, सिद्ध जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां वन्दे मातरम्
Here the children have formed I Love India. Big round of applause.
सरकशी का परचम लहरा लो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा लो ओ हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है क्या लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है क्या लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है हिम्मत मर्दा अगर हो सब खुदा भी होता है जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या होता लहरा लो सरकशी का परचम लहरा लो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा सरकशी का परचम लहरा गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा सरकशी का परचम लहरा गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा
बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की, Vande. By the way, before I go to the stage and make you realize that this day will be even more special, be seated, be seated. I just want to talk to this gentleman, sir. I know that you had full of tears in your eyes. Why a lot of emotion, sir?
Nothing. It makes me happy that my children is enjoying and is getting the stage.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. So nice. So nice. I know a lot of people got emotional.